Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you how you can delete a card off Fanduel. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first, you want to log into your Fanduel account and you want to just navigate to the payment settings. Then guys, what I need you to do is I need you to locate the card that you actually want to remove, and you want to select the option to delete or remove it. Okay, you want to confirm the removal by following the on-screen prompts. They'll give you some prompts. Just follow along, confirm it, and once the card is successfully removed, guys, you can basically proceed to add your digital currency account as the payment method. Okay, you want to choose the digital currency option and you want to enter the necessary details, such as your wallet address. You want to save the changes and ensure that digital currency account is basically now set up for transactions on FanDuel. Okay. And of course, it is really important to note that, different platforms may have different variations in their processes. So you just want to follow along their specific instructions, but it should work out for you. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.